I wish I knew before I started my weight loss journey or fitness journey. Number one thing is, don't look at the number on your weighing machine. Yes, don't do that, because that is the worst thing you can do to yourself. When I started my fitness journey, I used to check my weight every other day, and when I used to see that there is no change, I used to get so disappointment and so discouraged. The next thing I wanted to do was to quit, that I don't want to do it. But then I realized, and I researched a lot, I dig deeper, and I actually got to know that when you are in a process of losing fat, you are actually gaining muscles, and which we actually want. And you need to know that 1 pound of fat and 1 pound of muscle, they are equal in weight, but they are so different. Muscles are so dense and they takes up less space. So the next time you are seeing yourself, don't look at the number on the weighing machine. Go and look into the mirror. You will actually see results. You will see that you are getting more leaner. You need to take some other steps to compare your progress. Like, you can take measurements, you can take the help of your clothes, something like that. Don't just do that mistake of stepping on the weighing machine again and again. But for the progress purpose, if you want to do it, you can do it once or twice in a month. Don't do that more than that, otherwise you will end up getting discouraged and disappointed. And trust me, we all are in this together. If you are doing everything, you will get your results. We all are in this together. Number two thing is, calories matter. Now I'm not telling you to count each and every calorie, because that will be too awful and it is too terrible that you are counting each and every calorie, and sometimes it triggers a lot of people and they become calorie obsessed, that whatever the single thing they are having, they will first count the calories and then they will have it. I don't want you to do that, because I never did that. But you all should know that calorie deficit is the only thing by doing that which you can lose weight. So you need to take care of your calories, because sometimes you are under eating and sometimes you are overeating, and both the things are bad. If you are overeating, it means you are consuming more calories than you are expending. So your body will not lose any fat and it will actually starts to gain weight. Number two thing is, if you are under eating, you will not be able to perform any exercises, or you will not be able to perform any of your things, and you will feel fatigue, and which is not so good, because at the end, by under eating, your metabolism will get poor and your body will be in survival mode, which we don't want. Number three thing is, choose a workout plan and a diet plan which works for you. Never ever copy or never ever follow anyone. Okay, don't do that, because maybe some things might work for me but it won't work for you. Like in my case, I shared everything which I did to lose my weight. I shared all my workout plans, all my workout schedules, and if you're copying that as it is, and if you're not getting the results, you will feel that why she got the results and I'm not getting results, if I'm doing something wrong, and this kind of things will come through your mind, and you will end up getting disappointed and discouraged. Don't do that. Don't copy or don't follow anyone. You need to choose a diet plan and workout plan which works for you. You need to do trial and error method. Trial and error method means you need to try and try and try until you get a perfect diet plan, a perfect workout plan which works for you. By doing that, which you are seeing results, then only you will be able to see the results. Don't just follow any fitness influencer just because you like them, because some things might work for them but it won't work for you. Like sometimes I get the comments and I get the messages like, I also did the breast program but I'm not getting results. Maybe you're not doing it seriously, maybe you're not consistent. You need to understand that we all are born genetically different, and some things might work for me but it won't work for you. So just rather than just copying or just following anyone, you need to make one diet plan or nutrition plan and one workout plan which suits you. You can understand this by trial and error method only. There is no other way. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Bye.